Alright, this is what we got going on this morning. I'm gonna add this cable. I'm gonna replace this cable because this cable's too short. I'm gonna move it over here. So I'm gonna fix this so you get the even distribution of pulling the energy through all the batteries instead of just those, because I just added these gray ones. So I gotta add this cable. So let me do that. Okay, so we just took this cable off, and now we gotta cut this. So here we go. And then I gotta move that. I'm gonna move this down there and then cut that so it'll go into the little clamps. Alright, we cut the sleeving off. So now we just gotta stick them in here and move that. Alright, we got our cable hooked up. Unplug from that. I was doing laundry, now it's done. Just gotta secure this down so it doesn't move. And we're good.